Hey unicorns, welcome back to my channel. Another day in our life. So we at Duncan. Hey Duncan. Okay, so y'all already know your girl had to get gas, and I had already got gas, and I pressed the thing. I didn't even know it. I did pop up again, but I had got it before, and I thought that I needed $50, but I only needed 40 to fill up the tank because I was like a little over half a tank. But you already know I love it. I was so hyped that I had $10 left back. You don't know. Gas is a lot, and I use premium because of my engine. So I don't know who else used 93, but man, listen. Some people said that you could switch up 93 and 89, but I don't be doing that. I think all the gas is the same. I don't know. Y'all let me know in the comments. Like, what do y'all think? Are they playing us? There's a turtle walking. A walking turtle. Huh? Hi! We were coming to see you! Oh my goodness, I was driving, I'm like, it's a turtle!
Sammy, he won't hurt you.
Hi, Sammy!
He won't hurt you, you can pat him.
Hi, Sammy!
Pat him just like would you cat or you dog. As long as he's not eating, he won't open his mouth.
Come, Chunks!
He won't hurt you.
Say hi!
Okay, I'll turn him around.
Okay.
Okay, he's going home, baby. He's going
No,
home.
say hi! Hi! Yeah. Oh, what? How gorgeous. What are y'all doing today? When's the last time y'all got on a swing? We are just having the time of our lives. I love coming to this park. So let me know in the comments, when's the last time y'all got on a swing? Do y'all ever get on a swing when you go to the park? Like, to get back into your kid-like energy? That's how you manifest stuff, if you didn't know. Once you have that lighthearted energy and you just like, you know, when you were a child, you imagine stuff and you think you like a rock star and you're like shooting off to space with your imagination. That's the key. So have fun imagining and living your dreams. So remember I said I was not gonna do a voiceover. Well, I had to just a little bit, but I'm gonna let y'all listen to some music while you watch me put in these braids. That took me 2.5 hours. How I'm looking. That's right. See that? I could do anything. I swear. I could do anything I want. Hey guys. So I'm basically finishing this up. As y'all see, I finished it. I did it all by myself. It took me 2.5 hours, but I'm gonna show you the hair. See, I'm just doing the front. I don't know if you can see. I had first started that y'all saw before, and I was doing the big ones. You see how thick this is? But I noticed, like, you see how loose it gets? Like, it's only been a week, and I'm like, bruh, how do people keep braiding their hair? See how thick I did it? That's because I couldn't see the back of my head. So I used 2, I got 1 left. So this is 56 inches. I don't know. And my friend, she gave me these, so I didn't buy them. So I don't know how much they cost. And I don't be buying the fake hair, but I just was like, I did the fox locks and I'm tired of that. So it's right there. Right there. Hold on, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. So I'm basically in another part of the house because I don't want to get copywritten, and she's watching TV and it's loud and it's music playing, and I don't want to, you know, I don't want to do a talk over, voiceover. I don't really like the voiceover. Anyway, so what kind of hair have y'all done? Like, what kind of styles? I'm so proud of myself doing all these things. Like, what? Who am I? Like, I never even thought I would have had this in my head. Right here looks so dark. Is the lighting good right here? I don't know. How do I look? I feel like I look dark. And I don't like to look dark. Let me show you the difference. Let me show you. See? Now I'm in the bathroom, but my tripod is in the truck. Like my bigger one. I have a small one right now. So anyway, see? Some is big, some is small. The small one's in the front. I just grip the small ones really tight. And it's hard because I have blonde hair and it doesn't look, to me, it doesn't look as neat. But to other people, they love it. But anyway, I'm going to take this one out because I took pictures yesterday. And y'all saw it, I posted, me and my daughter. But I was like, this hair was sticking up. I had it up. And I'm like, let me go back out there. Yeah, see? The light, I don't know. It gets dark. It is dark. I'll put it up a little bit. Anyway. Whoop. Oh. Okay. So I'm going to take this out. This one right here, this big doodle plait. Because I feel like, and then I'm like, okay, so I took it out. This is what the hair looked like. I took it out. See how much hair it was? See how long my hair grew? I mean, this is how much hair it was holding on to it. Like, you know? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to split it in half, like so. I already have hair split right here, so swing. See how skinny? I'm going to just braid this really small. And then braid that one, just add it on it. But it's gonna be skinnier opposed to that big doodle plait. See? I don't know if y'all can see it. See? It's braided right here. And the lighting is just crazy looking. And I just braid it on. Like so. See that? Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna cut some of that out. Hopefully I can't. Like, the more I try to block the noise, the more anyway. But anyway, guys, I want y'all to, you know, keep on doing you. Keep on. I'm telling you, somebody don't want me to get this message out, honey. Keep protecting your energy from these narcissists, these nasty parasites, okay? These fake friends, these frenemies, people that want to stab you in your back. They want to laugh in your face and talk behind your back. But everything that people send you, like, you're protected. Everything that people send you, it just bounces off of you and it goes back to them. See, the thing people don't realize is that the more nasty you continue to be, the more nasty your life is. And that's why you reflect how you are. Your life reflects how you are. So if you are a good person, you're always going to be blessed. You're always going to have things that make it look and seem easy and make it look effortless, because God is watching over you. If you're faithful to him and you trust and you do not be, okay, listening to the enemy, that's what I'm gonna call him. If you don't carry on and listen to him and gossip and do bad things and continue to be of service to people, if you know what I'm saying, you see somebody outside in the street, ask them if they need help, they need something to drink, you want something to eat, like, what's going on? If you have extra money, what you was gonna do, buy a stupid shirt? Like, you got mad clothes. Like, I had so much clothes in the storage when I was moving back and forth different states. Like, I had to throw it out. Well, donate it. I didn't throw it out, but to me it was like throwing it out. And you have to just let go. Like, now, I remember when I was younger, being in a lack mindset and being raised up poor. Like, my foster parent, she was a hoarder, so she held on to every single thing. Like, she would buy QVC stuff, like all this stuff, and just keep it, just have it in the boxes still in the house. Like, for what? What are you saving it for? Like, you're gonna die. You're gonna take that with you in the coffin? Anyway, dumb stuff. Like, anyway, goofy. So I don't hold on to nothing. That being said, I do not hold on to anything. I let it go, and I let people go easy. Let me tell you, I blink. See how quick I blink? And I clean my areola and I clean my lens, okay? Yeah, that's how quick I let go of somebody. If you want to be fake and phony, goodbye. I don't want no toxicity around my child. Nope. My generation and my bloodline is not gonna be dirtied, okay? What they call it, polluted. So I'm gonna take this out. I'm gonna just do it over because it's big. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching, like, and subscribing. Thanks for all the donations. I love y'all. Okay, and my Etsy shop is on vacation right now, but you can still send me, like, the people that's been sending me Cashapp, you can still send me Cashapp and stuff, and continue to email me. I love talking to y'all, and I'm sending y'all love and light and love. And see y'all in my next video. Namaste.